Today we're going to transform my renter build office closet room into my dream medieval modern sanctuary. At least I hope. My sister, of course, is here to help me. Who else? She is the muscles of this situation.
And the brains.
Tell them about your lesbian bag.
I've never felt more lesbian because in my bag was a box of tampons, a power drill, and a book.
Let's get started. Eat it up, eat it up.
Lena!
Sorry, I'm trying to fix that camera angle.
Yes, let's do what's most important.
I'm working. Eat it up. I hate J-Hope's verse.
Why would a man be there? Why would a man be there?
Do you want to pass me my power drill?
It's the gayest thing you've ever said.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to stand by.
Okay, I'm sorry. I am literally just.
I'm gonna hold, and you're gonna want to put it down.
Oh, okay. Thank you for the instructions. Coming. Wow. I'm coming.
Next thing.
Way to break my drill. My hair. I look like Chicken Little. You guys, I looked so chopped right now, but I don't even care. We have made some progress. We officially finished the IKEA packs. I put up some curtains on this wall, and then we have another window right here that I need to install a track and put the curtains up. I bought this vintage desk at Facebook Marketplace, and I'm obsessed with it. I absolutely love it. It goes perfect with my new chair that I also picked up on Facebook Marketplace, but I just need more storage than this. I'm trying to just make the space more functional. So I did get the IKEA Vanity. Everything is still a mess, but another update is my TV is up, my dresser's over here. I filled the holes in the wall. Overall, I'm so happy with how my office is looking. Everything is just kind of a mess right now, including myself. But yeah, let's get going. Let's try to finish this.
I did it!
I need to buy 2 more curtains, but the hardest part, the rod, is up, and I did it all by myself. Building the Alex drawers themselves is easy, but DIYing the rest is literal hell. Whoever said this was easy online, you are all liars. Anyway, I go more in depth on my Substack about how to do this correctly the first time so you don't end up like me. I literally ordered a giant MDF board so they could cut it here, and the saw is broken. I was gonna get trim, but now I'm gonna have to do another trim down. I originally wanted my desk to be wood, which is why I tried the contact paper, but it just wasn't working. I decided to paint. Again, I was tricked online into thinking that was the easier route. So I wanted to go with burgundy, but I felt like that would be too overpowering. So I went with Boston brown because that's the closest to wood. I did 2 coats and it just chipped right off. I didn't get any footage because I was screaming, crying, throwing up. This is where we're at. I could not film the entire process because it was truly treacherous. I need Dev's help getting the shelf up, but we already have a casualty. I literally barely bumped it against the drawer. So who knows if this DIY even works or if everyone on the internet is lying to me, but I will give you guys the real tea because I am so sick of this. At this point, I would have just kept it white and like done some trim. But anyway, we're gonna get it set up today. regardless if there's chips or not. And I'll show you the finished product when it's all done. Again, this was a me problem. I was getting really impatient. I shouldn't have put painter's tape on the freshly painted desk. It needed a few more days to cure completely. I ended up sanding and repainting the chips and it all worked out, so it's fine. Finished desk. I put these knobs. They're so pretty. And I've kind of just been getting ready here while I can, so I put a few things up, but nothing is permanent. I am, however, going to change this mirror today. I did get a new vanity mirror. I love my Hello Kitty one, but she's not tall enough. Oh my gosh, it looks gorgeous. I'm so obsessed. This is so beautiful, like literally my dream. I'm slowly getting the desk set up. The head is where I usually put my makeup brushes, and then I'll probably put like my bang curler hair clips in that little silver thing. And then here is all my skincare. I do love Rhode for like makeup prep. And I'm going to start cleaning out my drawers where all my previous makeup vanity things were and kind of get them in here. And then go from there because we have a lot to tackle. Good morning. It's the next day. I got some things done, but I have so much makeup. So this is going to be like a multiple day thing. Yesterday, I ended up moving everything that was temporarily in those drawers into my dresser. So like, for example, I put all of my cameras and light stuff here. I did do an Amazon order last night. I could only purchase one, but I just wanted to like test it out because I saw a lot of people were using the like IKEA dividers and I had one, but it's just too flimsy. And I know you can stick like the stickers on it, but I just didn't love that. So I ordered these and they ended up being perfect. I obviously haven't filled them all the way, but I ordered like 4 more. And then I'm gonna go downstairs because I have my packs from when we first moved in. I filled it all up with like my makeup and hair stuff, but I feel like I just really want to try and fit it all in here just because it's been hard for me to like get creative with makeup and getting ready and just like enjoying it when I live in a 3-story house and I have to go all the way to the bottom floor to pick out every single step of my makeup. So I'm hoping this kind of helps bring the fun in doing my makeup back. So today I'm gonna go downstairs and try to clean out my makeup. I have a lot of old makeup that's definitely expired, some of it barely used, and I just need to lessen the stuff that I have. I already have so much makeup currently in this room that was shoved in my last vanity, so yeah, we're gonna try to get rid of stuff. So let's go. Oh my god. Again, I live in a 3-story house, so this is gonna be a mission to get all my makeup from down there all the way back up here, but it needs to be done. I'm being very brave, especially because I saw 2 bugs down here last night. Here is the packs that's downstairs. I already removed 1 whole row with skincare and then another one with like body care. So we're making great progress. Right now, I'm just gonna look through the like eye section and grab what I'm keeping. I should have got a trash bag. Whatever. I'm gonna put a trash pile and a take upstairs pile. Okay, these KVD Beauty Dazzle sticks. I actually haven't used them. They are really pretty. Maybe I will use them. They're not that old, so keep. Givenchy Beauty, keep. MAC, keep. Half Magic, keep. to Nessa Myrick's Keep, obviously. I have so many Melt Makeup duochrome eyeshadow gels. I haven't used them, but I'm gonna see if I have more room. And if I do, I'll definitely keep these because they're gorgeous. Okay, as much as I would love to keep this, this is from the Aladdin collab with MAC, which if you know me, you know I love Aladdin. I got this definitely a really long time ago. I don't remember even when that movie came out, so we need to toss her. Okay, last in this drawer is colorful gel liners. These are disgustingly old. The Suva Beauty Hydra liners. These were everything back in the day, but they are definitely very used. So we're gonna toss. I want to try to fit every category into one drawer. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drawers. I feel like I can make it happen with maybe a category or two blending, but let's see. And whatever doesn't fit, I'll probably just toss because it's probably old anyway. We got one drawer halfway done. I think I'll be able to fit some eyeshadows and makeup palettes in here. So then this will just be like my whole eye drawer. Fingers crossed. We gotta go back downstairs. Okay, this is my whole palette drawer. A lot of this stuff is really old. So Half Magic eyeshadows, keeping. These are so old. I don't even think Ela Mask is a brand anymore, so we're gonna toss. Charlotte Tilbury. This is kind of old. I actually love these Kimchi Beauty palettes. They're a little obnoxious to store. My Givenchy palettes. Keeping. Sugar Pill makes some of the best eyeshadows. These are just all so old that I don't think I should keep them. Ugh, all these Urban Decay. I love them, but again, they're so old. I don't think I should keep these. I'm not gonna lie, these MAC ones are a bit old, but I'm gonna keep them. Oh yeah, see, I love that Kaja has an expiration date. So all of these are expired. Okay, I did a campaign for this Venus palette. They had me all over the website, and it's like the only reason I keep it. I believe this is like a brand new one. So I think I'm gonna keep her. This is a new-ish Venus palette. I only used it once, but since like the 2016 makeup is coming back, I think I'll keep her just for that sake. These are the other two Venuses. I had all of them at one point, but these were like the only ones that were brand new. So I think I'll keep that. I don't really wear pinks very often, so this can go. More Ilamasca palettes. I love these, but they're so old. I actually love this Antiquity palette. Again, another old one, but I've never used it, so I think I'm in the clear. Probably not, but Twilight. I've used this once. I like it. We're keeping Cloud 9. This reminds me of Superstore, but I am a cool tone girly, so we'll be keeping that. My Friend, It's Likely Makeup. Keep. These are all my Melt Cosmetics eyeshadows. I'm definitely keeping these. These are still fairly new. This is another campaign I did, so I'm keeping that just for memories. I think it's time to let go of these Sugar Pill palettes. They served me well. I was obsessed with them. I will forever be a Sugar Pill stan. But yeah, this palette is broken, so I have to toss her. And then I do love these, and they're not that old, so I think I'm gonna keep. These are well over 10 years old. I think the Desert Dusk palette is super old. Don't remember how old the Pretty Grunge palette is. I know the Rose Gold Remastered is pretty old. I don't know. I can't remember when I got these. That one's looking a little scary over there, so this one I'll get rid of. It's the Naughty palette. Okay, these are all really old. Yeah, I know the rest of these are super old, so unfortunately they have to go. Will I probably regret that? Yes, but I'm trying really hard not to just hold on to makeup because a brand that I love has sent it to me. I want to be intentional if I'm going to wear it, if I like the formula, if it's not a decade old. We have some major improvements. My Vanity is up and running, and I'm obsessed with her. Let me show you what I've got going on. This is all my pretty makeup slash makeup that I use every day. I know it's a lot. I obviously don't use all of this every day. It makes getting ready so much easier. I also managed to fit all of my makeup in these drawers. So now I have some room in the actual packs, which is very exciting. This is just my little like office drawer. This still has some room for improvement. I have a lot of lip products, so this is all the rest of my lip products. A lot of MAC, a lot of Makeup Forever, Half Magic, Melt, Givenchy, Skin by Kim. I narrowed it down so much, like you would not believe the 3 large trash bags of beauty stuff that I got rid of. I still have a lot, obviously, but I am very proud of myself. These are all my lashes, lash glue, and lash tools. And then down here is all of my liner, brows, eyeshadows, eyeshadow palettes, all that good stuff. In this first drawer, my spoolies, Q-tips, all that stuff. Skincare, hair stuff. This is all my foundation, concealer, powders, and sprays. Again, I got rid of so much. I know that this is still a lot, but I did pretty good. This is all of my blush and bronzers and highlighters. And then finally is this drawer. This is like all my glitter and freckle pens, eyeglasses, stickers, like all the stuff that's fun but not like everyday use. Hi, Beshi. He loves it in here, which makes me so happy because now he gets to hang out in here while I do my makeup. I am having a bit of a day, so don't mind me, but I am going to cap the video here, but stay tuned for part 2. I'm going to go through the entire packs and organize my shoes, my bags, my clothes, and then I will do the grand reveal of the entire office. But for now, I'll see you next time.